Hi, I'm going to explain to you what you need to know about what is in the book. See this book here? You need to have that book. I'm going to show you how to use the book and what you'll be utilizing the most. In the book, you'll see a circular icon that looks like a DVD. When you see that DVD icon, you'll need to look on the internet to watch the videos or put the DVD from your book into your DVD player and watch it. Now you'll see two different kinds of homework, and I'll show you what they look like. See at the top, it says Answers on page 397. Well, you have to do all the homework, but you have two different kinds of homework. With this kind, you do the work and then look in the back of the book for the answers. First you do the work and then you look to see whether your answers are the same or different, right or wrong. If you got answers wrong, then watch the video again and redo the homework. See down here it says answers are given in class. This means your instructor will give you those answers in person or online, so you'll have to do the homework and wait to get the answers from your instructor. What you see here is just one example of what homework looks like. You can see the DVD icon here, which means that you're required to watch videos while doing the homework. You can see here questions 1 through 10. You have to answer all 10 by watching the video and writing down your answers. Then, wait for your instructor to give you the answers from the homework. That's just one example.